Understanding Mediation Sessions, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, mediation session. This is a term you might encounter in various contexts, especially in legal or conflict resolution scenarios. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used. Remember, understanding such phrases can enhance your English proficiency and help you in real-world situations. First, let's break down the phrase, mediation session, into two parts, mediation and session. Mediation is a process where a neutral third party, called a mediator, helps people in a dispute to communicate and negotiate to reach an agreement. It's important to note that a mediator does not decide the outcome but helps the parties to find a common ground. A session refers to a meeting or a period devoted to a particular activity. So, when we combine these two words, a mediation session is essentially a meeting where a mediator assists disputing parties to resolve their issues. Mediation session can appear in various contexts. Here are a few examples. 1. Legal disputes. In cases like divorce, property disputes, or business disagreements, parties might opt for a mediation session to avoid lengthy legal battles. 2. Workplace conflicts. Employers might arrange mediation sessions to resolve conflicts between employees. 3. Community issues. Neighbors or community groups might participate in mediation sessions to address shared concerns. Understanding the context can help you grasp the full meaning of the term. In a mediation session, language plays a crucial role. The mediator uses neutral, non-confrontational language to facilitate discussion. It's a great example of how language can be used to de-escalate tension and promote understanding. Here are some key phrases you might hear in a mediation session. Finding common ground, searching for areas where parties agree. Mutual agreement, a decision that all parties accept. Conflict resolution, the process of resolving a dispute or a disagreement. Understanding these phrases will help you follow the process more effectively. That's all for our exploration of the phrase, mediation session. We hope this video has been enlightening and has expanded your understanding of this important concept. Remember, every new phrase you learn opens up a new aspect of the English language. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use these terms in your conversations. Until next time, happy learning!